Let's learn how to create your own Koala Go Playground activities. Koala Go Playground is not just about having fun, but it's also an amazing place for creating educational activities that students can really engage and interact with.
We have all sorts of tools here. Some of these tools are great for when you're doing the lesson. Some of these tools are great for preparation for a lesson. The first one you'll see is a drawing tool. And this is just like the tool that you have in the whiteboard. You can change the color if you would like to. You can change the thickness of the line. And you can also erase these lines. And finally, we also have the vanishing pen. So the next thing I want to do is I'm going to show you how to build just a very simple building. Now we're going to jump over to the tool that has add blocks, objects, images, or stickies. And the one I want to choose is blocks. You have a variety of blocks that you can use.
Click to place individual blocks one by one. Or if you want to go a bit faster, hold the Shift key and drag your mouse to draw a line of blocks.
So now you have a wall. You also have sticky notes. Now you don't see them at the bottom like you would in the other areas. This one instead, you're going to click back on that box where all the good stuff is, and then you're going to go to teaching. And the teaching is going to be the sticky notes. So you can go ahead and click on the sticky notes there. Again, you can change the color, type on the text within this box. Just like we did in the whiteboard, you can lock the sticky notes. You can duplicate the sticky notes. If you lock them in place, you can make them clonable. You can actually add sound to the sticky note. Go to the image library. You are just going to drag and drop into your image library. And then as long as you've named them something that makes sense to you, you can use the search engine. There's my zebra. I'm going to put my zebra on top of my circle, and I'm going to enlarge my zebra a little bit. And then if you look at the next option is rotate. So you can rotate whatever it is around, and you can do that with any of your images, your sticky notes. And just like we had done previously, you can duplicate your image. You can lock your image so that it's not something that you can move, but then you can also clone it as well. So it won't move, but you have the option to make more zebras. If you want to add a zebra sound, you could add that audio as well. One is the shovel. The shovel is basically a delete tool. So if I want to delete my blocks, I can just use the shovel and I can click on my blocks like this. If I want to delete a lot of them all at once, again, I'm going to hit the Shift key, hold down the Shift key, and then just highlight all those blocks, and then there they go. If I say, oops, I didn't mean to do that, then I can go back to the undo button and it will replace what I had just done. So those are the tools that you can use inside the playground. So rich, so robust, so many things that you can do.